fine dining setup, fast and reliable. Here in Bitpos, we provide convenience po. So in this video, ipapakita ko kung paano gamitin ang aming Bitpos MOT kit in a fine dining setup. So I have here my kitchen printer 2, my bar, my cashier printer, and my kitchen printer number 1. I have my PC POS cashier and my MOT table management device po. So the first step that we're going to do po is tap lang natin yung specific table natin. And then, tap in tindahan order po. Next, we are going to punch the order of that certain table po. So, magpa-punch lang po ko randomly ng aking main dishes. And of course, my beverages po para mag-print sa ating bar printer. Okay? Once you're good to go po, you can always go back. And then, diretso tap lang po natin yung kitchen. It gets printed out in the kitchen as well as in our bar printer po. And this is our sample printout. It's ticket-based. Kung mapapansin nyo po, pwede nyo pong punitin ito once you wanted to serve this one to your customer. For the payment process po, the first step po, tap lang po natin yung table po, tap in tindahan order, and then select lang po natin yung product, tap lang natin yung bill, and then automatically it gets printed out here in our cashier printer. So ito po yung itsura ng ating bill out. Once the customer is ready to pay po, here in our POS cashiering side, we're going to tap the table number po. And of course, input magkano yung pera ng ating cashier, tap tender, until mag-print ang ating official receipt. And as you can see po, this is our official receipt po na nag-print.